Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cabbage water. Start with a firm head of cabbage, rinse and quarter it, then simmer chopped leaves in 2 cups of water for 15 minutes. Strain the liquid into a jar, cool to room temperature, and refrigerate for up to 5 days. Use chilled cabbage water for cooking, hair rinses, or as a vegetable broth. Taste and adjust salt or herbs to your preference before using. Begin by choosing a fresh cabbage with crisp, heavy leaves and no blemishes. Rinse thoroughly under cold water, then chop or tear into small pieces to maximize surface area. Place the cabbage in a pot, cover with 4 cups of water per head, bring to a gentle simmer, and cook for 10 to 20 minutes until color lightens. Strain and cool before storing. Use a lid to retain heat and preserve nutrients during simmering. Cabbage water is versatile and easy to adapt for kitchen or beauty uses. For a hair rinse, cool the liquid, pour over hair after shampoo, leave for 5 minutes, then rinse. For cooking, use it as a mild vegetable broth or to add natural color and nutrients to soups. Store in a sealed container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Shake gently before use to redistribute any settled particles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.